Hello and welcoming you all back to the video lecture series on human resource management. We will be discussing on what is human resource management. It is actually a process of planning, organizing and directing the employees, the important assets of the organization towards the goals and objective of the organization. And we will also be looking on to what are the functions of the human resource management, and we were looking on to the process of human resource planning. What is human resource planning process? What are the various stages and procedures in human resource planning process? And we will be looking on to the example of human resource planning process, and we will be discussing on recruitment and selection process, and career planning process, performance management process in our previous videos. In this video, we will be looking on to the pros and cons of an human resource management. As we already say, as I have already said in various videos, that everything in this world have pros as well as cons in it. So the HR management process also do have its own advantages as well as disadvantages. So in this videos, we will be looking on to what are the pros and cons of an human resource management, and how does those pros and cons do affect in the organization performance, everything in this video. And moving on to the video. So human resource management effective HRM strategies includes many processes that are proven to boost productivity. Goal setting and tracking can motivate employees to work harder to achieve them. Effective performance management programs make companies more likely to outperform their competitors. So this human resource management process is actually what is to identify our potential employees and move on our employees towards the common goal and objective of the organization, and to look on to that every employees are moving on the right track. If at all we identify that the employees are lagging on somewhere, a proper training program should be provided to those employees, and based on those training programs, after the completion of those programs, a continuous progress and monitoring of the employees will be done, and if at all the employees works well, he would be continued, or else continuous training process would be provided. So coming on to what are the pros of human resource management. First one, the pros of human resource management is ensure better growth. So proper and structured human resource management. So this is the knows that this is the objective of the organization. So we are planning accordingly. This is our future needs. So this is our current manpower supply. We need this much of manpower supply, so we should recruit this many people. So these are the strategies for recruitment, and we are selecting the people and onboarding them and making use of those potential employees, providing proper training and development program to those employees, and ensuring for the better growth for those employees. And wholly the HRM process provides a better growth for an organization because it has a stable growth in it, stable structure in it. Next would be enhance employee relationship. So as I said, employees are the biggest asset of the organization, and the human resource department ensures the satisfaction of those employees, and to ensure that the employees are satisfied with the organization goals and objectives. So next would be it improves the human resource planning process. As we discussed, a proper structured planning would be enforced with the HRM policies and procedures, and it enhances the job satisfaction of the employees, ensures conflict-free management, and it motivates employees to work further as it provides various performance management through the various performance management program that like performance appraisal method. So employee would be motivated when he have the person being recognized for those for their work. A common human tendency is that to look on to the benefits, to look on to the encouragement of what they are possessing. A proper reward and recognition would motivate the employees to work further. So whereas listing out the cons of human resource management, maintaining a safe distance, insufficient information. So in some cases, the organization would be lagging on insufficient information. In that cases, human resource management cannot do effective implementation of those ideas. Next would be lack of adaptability. Every employee in the organization wouldn't be adaptable to the organization. We can't ensure that every employee in the organization adapts to the process and procedures of the organization. In that case, in that situation, there would be a lag in adaptability. So the lack of adaptability would be the biggest con of human resource management. Next would be unpredictability. Unpredictability in the sense we would make a proper human resource planning process based on our current requirement, but this wouldn't be the same the next day, right? So for example, for instance, let us take a HR planning process. So currently we are having 5 employees and we need 5 more employees. So in that case, we are analyzing the present situation and making a plan that we have to recruit 5 more employees. So we are recruiting 5 employees and putting into the action that our target is to attain 100 products per month, and we are dividing 10 products per sales rep per month. So in this case, one employee is released from the organization. So here we have shortage of one employee. So arises the unpredictability. The organization wouldn't be same as what we predict today. So this would be the biggest con of human resource management. And expensive to install HRM software. So as technology improves, as people comes, as organization grows, it is most important to bring in the HRM softwares and tools. So that is more expensive, and bringing in all to coordination, it is time consuming process as well. So these are the cons of human resource management, and in this video we will be looking on to what are the pros, what are the cons of a human resource management. In the next video we will be looking on to the various other interesting topics and case studies. Thank you.